In this video, let's see how you can integrate Zoom with BSM so that you will get all the meeting data here in the BSM, right? For that, you have to go to your Zoom account and then go to Advanced App Marketplace. Or you can just click on this link here so that it will directly take you into your app market, but make sure you are logged into your Zoom account. So here you can go to Develop, Build App. So here you can see OAuth and Create. Give name for your app anything. So I'm just giving it BSM, right? And then I'm disabling this Create. So here you can see we have client ID, client secret, and we have to give a redirect URL, right? So in the step 5, we have the URL. You just copy this and paste it. Now you have to add the allow list. For that, again go to BSM. Next step. So here you can see two URL. Just copy this, paste it here, add allow list. Again you have to copy this, paste it here, continue. Now you have to give some short description which are mandatory. Okay, anything you can give, need not to be giving this only. Connecting BSM with Zoom. Right, I'm just copying this, pasting it over here also because this is also important, mandatory. Then scroll down. Here we have developer contact informations. Give anything, maybe I'm just giving email address. Now click on continue. So here you can see secret token and verification. So here you have to copy this secret token. Go to BSM, paste it in the secret token field. Now we want client ID and client secret. So here you can see we are in feature. Go to app credentials, copy this client ID, paste in the client ID field. Same, copy this client secret, paste it in the client secret, right? And then click on update keys. So now scroll down. Okay, so go to features and then scroll down. Here you can see general features, event subscription. Enable this. Click on add event subscription. Give any name for this. Okay, I'm just giving BSM. And this URL you have to copy from BSM. Once click on update keys and then copy this URL. So make sure you are pasting this URL only after you update the client ID, client secret and token. Okay, now click on validate. So now it shows validated. Okay, if you do not copy this before only without adding all these fields, then it will not be validated. Okay, now you can click on add events. So in the meeting you have to select start meeting, end meeting, participant or host joined meeting, host left meeting, meeting registration has been created. So these five fields: meeting registration has been created, left meeting, joined meeting, end meeting, start meeting. Okay, now give done and click on save. Now click on continue. So here we have to add scopes. So click on add scope, go to user, select all three, scroll down, go to report, again select all three, done. It should show like 7 added, done. So here you might check it is 7, right? And then click on continue. And then once you do that, you have to find URL here. Only in that case it is integrated. Okay, so now we'll go to BSM, click on connect with Zoom. Now it will take you into this interface where you have to click on allow. Right, it is done. You can just go to Zoom. So here you can see the account is integrated. So now go to Zoom meeting. Here you can see all the meeting details, right? So why is this important? Now let's say I'll select any of the meeting ID. Okay, so let me say I'm just copying this meeting ID and pasting it here. So I'm just clicking on view details. You will get to know all the leads, right? And if you want to know only attended, so you can see how many of them have attended the meeting, right? You can get the attend percentage also, like how many minutes, all the minutes has been converted into percentage. So maybe you want only like 20% to 80%, whoever has attended, only those data you want. So here you can see also the stats of every interval, right? That also you can see. You can check like in the first 0 to 30 minutes how many were active, and then 30 to 60 minutes how many were like rejoined, right? And then how many were active. So all these things you can see in the things, and also you can download each stats, right? Once downloaded, you can even send message to those members particularly. Once I click on download, I get all the data in the Excel. You can just schedule messages to them, right? So this is one of the use cases of Zoom. So all the data you can find here, but make sure you are backing up this data, or else you will lost all the data in case of recurring messages. Now let's say the same meeting ID you will be using for another meeting. Okay, at that time all the data will be shown, will be that particular meetings data will be shown. If you want this data, then you have to click on backup this stats and give any title for the backup. Maybe I'm giving test, take backup. So here you can see in the backups, you can see all the backed up. Here you have to go backup. Here you can see test, right? It is available. Once you click on view data, it will show all the same things, all the stats it will be showing. So yeah, once you go to backups, it will also show what are all the data you have to backup. You are about to, you have conducted the meeting but not given backup. All these things will be shown here. If you want backup, you can click on backup and backup the data. If you don't want, you can ignore it.